Hi, I'm Sabrina Fry, and today I'm going to talk to you about creating a pattern. What I wanted to do here was create some sort of a background for this flat surface. This was kind of a unique piece that I did recently, and I decided to kind of make up my own pattern using multiple types of beads. I'm using two types of bugle beads here. One is kind of a straight flat bead, and the other one is twisted. And the background on this piece was just wood. And it looked really good, but I just kept feeling like there was something missing. And I wanted to do something, but I also didn't want to just fill it in with beads. And so I decided to create this very subtle but very distinct pattern on here. And it was just something I made up and made it kind of like a stair step. And here you can see I'm using my air pen, which is just a glue gun that uses air pressure to push out the glue, and it lets you set the glue in very precise places. Then I'm placing the beads individually with my tweezers right on the location. And you want to, the nice thing about the air gun is that it lets you make really precise glue downs because you don't want a lot of excess glue floating around. Because then you're going to end up with glue residue. Now this glue is Aleene's craft glue, tacky glue, and it dries very clear. So it's helpful for keeping things clean looking, but you always want to try to have the least amount possible. So here I'm just going to continue to place these beads on the line as I go, and then and now you can see what the pattern looks like when it's finished. It's completely dry, and it adds a really wonderful base to this piece. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me.